Hello, welcome back to Gifted Guitars. Today we will be painting this Telecaster style guitar for the Black Lives Matter movement. If you've been following along with this, thank you so much for watching all the videos. If you haven't been, and you want to go back, I'm going to put a link to a playlist. You can watch the whole build from the beginning if you click that link, and I'll meet you back here as soon as you're done with the first two videos. But if you've already seen those videos, or you're just interested in the painting part, today we're gonna start painting this. I'm very excited about it. I have some ideas. I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna go with this whole project, but I do know what the first step is, and that is masking off anything that I don't want to be painted black. Alright, it is actually the next night. This has been curing for the last 24 hours, which should make it able to take a sanding and also allow me to take the masking off. I thought I had more black lacquer than I actually had, so I stopped a little early. Hopefully that doesn't affect the overall end result too much. I think I got enough on here, but yeah, I stopped a little bit before I thought I was going to. Anyway, this is an exciting slash nerve-wracking part of any build, is when you mask something off, spray it, and then you take the masking off. Did it work? Is it gonna look like what it looked like in your head? Is it gonna be the masterpiece that you hope it will be? Let's find out. Alright, that looks pretty good. This turned out even better than I had expected it to. I think that looks really cool. I really like it next to the texture there. And there were a couple little parts where there was a little bit of spray that got under the tape. I'm not too upset about that. I think that I think it looks fine. I think it looks like it's just part of the wood. This area is gonna get covered up with the pickguard. I brought out the white pickguard as well. I just wanted to see what they look like, each one. I think I'm gonna end up going with black. I know a few people in the comment section were saying to use white or clear. Clear is definitely not gonna work for this particular build. But the white, I don't know, I just feel like it muddles the design a little bit to go white with it. So I think this balances things out a little bit, and there is a little hint of white. There's like this whiteness that's around the outside of it that I think looks really cool. There is something that I want to do the back of the guitar as well, but before I get to that, I want to experiment with leather dye in this area here and see if I could get this looking yellow inside here. And at one point I was considering the entire, anything that looks natural right now, having that yellow look to it. I'm not totally sold on that. I don't know if that's what it's gonna look like, but I wanna see what it looks like inside here first and then make some decisions after the fact. This dye is made by Angelus. I've used this in the past on my sister Rachel's guitar. It didn't work out very well on that guitar. And I actually used it on another guitar that you guys haven't seen yet. It's a beautiful guitar. I haven't finished it yet, but because of all the coronavirus stuff, I haven't been able to give the guitar to the person, so I put it on hold and started building these other guitars, which I'm happy that I did. But there is another guitar that turned out beautiful with this. I'm really excited about you guys seeing it. But all of that is to say that I've had some experience with this. It is tricky stuff. It's hard to get right. So I'm gonna do my best right now and keep your fingers crossed for me. Apparently the original design of the 3 lines were designed to be bold, highlighted in yellow, and easy to replicate to help spread the movement.